To remove sweat, urine and refresh a mattress, you're going to need hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, a spray bottle, baking soda, a bottle of essential oils and a sieve. In a bowl, place 1 teaspoon of dish soap, 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide and 5 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix and place in a spray bottle. Then spray the solution onto the mattress, allowing it to soak in. Then leave the mattress to air dry completely. To refresh your mattress, vacuum the entire mattress, add 1 cup of baking soda and a few drops of essential oils. Now shake over the mattress. Leave for 1 hour. Then vacuum off the baking soda.